1 year ago today, spectator events in California just came to an end. Classrooms prepared to close, and LA Unified sent notes home to parents that said their kids would need laptops. It was a phrase we'd never heard before, safer at home. NBC4's Patrick Healy takes us through the extraordinary developments of this past year.
Thursday, March 19, 2020, day one of safer at home and the suspension of day-to-day life as we knew it.
This is going to last at least 4 to 8 more weeks, and I would suggest that people be prepared for it to go on for much longer.
The world outside becoming alarmingly quiet. Surprisingly soon, we missed the congestion we thought we hated. Initially, we're told not to wear masks because they're needed by healthcare workers. April 1 brings permission for cloth face covering. By April 5, that becomes please do with hygiene advice.
Needs to be clean, and you need to clean it each day.
The message gets mixed.
So this is voluntary. I don't think I'm going to be doing it.
The focus quickly becomes preventing hospitals being overwhelmed. We learn a new phrase, flatten the curve. By late April, with warming weather, COVID cabin fever is bubbling up. Some defiantly protest the public health orders. Aid programs meet some but not all of the need. Many small business operators and employees struggle to make ends meet.
We have been waiting on the government assistance program, has been getting a lot of, we'll get back to you.
The death of George Floyd beneath the knee of a Minneapolis police officer brings tens of thousands into streets nationwide.
No justice, no peace!
Pandemic or not, Americans demand a reckoning with social injustice. May 26, as demand for more testing grows, Dodger Stadium becomes California's largest site. May 29, indoor dining resumes amid optimism the surge is over.
I would not be surprised if we go up to 100,000 a day.
July 2, dining rooms close, diners move to the patio. August 28, Governor Newsom unveils what he calls a blueprint for a safer economy.
You have 4 tiers, 4 colors.
Most counties land in purple, the most restrictive. October 11, social distancing gets forgotten when the Lakers win the NBA title, and again on the 28th when the Dodgers take the World Series. November 4, California approaches 1 million cases. The worst surge yet is just beginning.
There's more virus circulating in the community now than ever before.
The bottom line is if we don't act now, our hospital system will be overwhelmed. If we don't act now, we'll continue to see a death rate climb.
December 11, encouraging news. A vaccine has been approved, Pfizer's, and within days, doses are going into arms. A week later, December 18, Moderna's vaccine is also approved, but the surge continues. December 22, major hospitals share video of overflowing intensive care units, plead for adherence to COVID precautions, to avoid holiday travel and gatherings, to slow the spread and end the surge.
If people continue to gather for the upcoming holidays, we are going to cripple our hospital system.
January 7, the surge peaks in California, and within days in most other states. Cases begin a steep decline as, inexplicable as it is welcome, mercifully decompressing hospitals. January 25, California lifts the regional stay-at-home order, returns to the tier system. February 27, the FDA authorizes a third vaccine from Johnson & Johnson, a single-doser.
You can't safely reopen your economy until we get this disease behind us.
March 4, Governor Newsom announces new goals and incentives for expanding vaccination in the state's hardest hit communities, often low-income areas, home to people of color. March 5, spectator sports, concert arenas, and theme parks get a roadmap to reopen as of April 1. March 11, President Biden calls for vaccine eligibility for all by May 1st. Raises prospects for being able to celebrate 4th of July in small groups. On the recovery road, hope is displacing despair. What a year, and we're still moving through this. But today, with California meeting a vaccination target, we get word that starting Sunday, Southern California will be able to move up a tier. Indoor dining, museums, gyms, movie theaters, so many things we've missed for so long. And Carolyn and Michael, it won't be the same as it was before, but at least we're moving in the right direction.